Thank you for using the Cenex Shop web-to-print functionality. If you watched our first training video, we demonstrated how to customize a single-sided pump topper. This training video will demonstrate how to customize a slightly more complicated, however very simple direct mail postcard. Let's begin. I'm going to first select the item from the category page, enter the quantity that I wish to purchase as normal within the Cenex Shop, and I'm going to click Customize. The site will automatically load the template for that direct mail piece we selected. Something slightly different on this template because it's two-sided, you can see we can toggle back and forth between page 1 and page 2. I will start with page 1. Size, if you wish to view this if you wish to view the template as a larger size, simply click your arrow here and select a larger view. Personally, I prefer to work in standard size. Next, all we need to do is complete the fields here on the left-hand side. Our first option is to upload our store logo or type our store name. I'm going to choose to upload my store logo. Please keep in mind that I am working on a Macintosh, so it may look a little bit different. However, the functionality on a PC is exactly the same. I'm going to find where I have my logo stored on my computer. I have it on my desktop, and it's right here. I'm going to update the preview just so I can see how that looks. And the store logo is located on page 2. You can see that it has been populated 4 times within this template. I'm going to switch back to page 1. Our next step is to choose our front image. I'm going to click this down arrow and see the images that are available to me for the front of this postcard. For this purpose, I'm going to use grass. I can choose to wait to update my preview, or I can update it now. I'm going to choose to update it now. The image has changed to the grass image that I had selected, so that's perfect. We're going to continue with completing the rest of the fields in our coupons. I'm going to switch to side 2, as that's where the coupons are located. Our next step is to customize each of the 3 coupons. Again, just by completing these fields on the left-hand side. The template is preloaded with water just to give you a visual clue of how it will look. And you can choose to browse your computer for an image that you own, or you can access our image library. I'm going to access the image library. This library is pre-populated with hundreds of product images for products related to your everyday business. You can choose to use the category menus here to select your images, or you can search by a keyword. I'm going to use a keyword search of car wash and click the search button. Here are the images that relate to car wash, and I'm going to select which one I want to use. Going to complete my product name, as well as the price for that product. We have pre-populated the details and restrictions field, so you can simply edit that, or you can delete it and start over. I'm going to make this valid until 12/31 of 13. If I want to see what it looks like now, I can update my preview. You can see that the first coupon has been edited with the image I chose, the car wash product name, the price point. If I enlarge it, I'll also be able to see that my expiration date valid until 12/31 of 13 is there as well. I'll proceed with the other 2 coupons. However, the process is exactly the same. I'm going to choose a new image from the library for coupon number 2. I will focus on fountain soda. You can see here that I've selected the Cenex Cold Cup image from the image library. I'm going to type a product name and my special price. I'm also going to enter my details. Valid on 16-ounce sizes only. Coupon expires 12/31 of 13. I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of my fields before I update again. I'll use the image library. I will do a special on candy. We'll do Hershey's bar. And again, type in my product name, my special price, and my expiration date. There's a few areas for custom messages, which we have pre-populated with the most popular messages. You can choose to keep them as is, or you can edit these to whatever you choose to say. I'm going to leave them as is. The next step is to complete our store locations where these coupons are valid. I'm just going to fill in some dummy addresses here. These are not all required, so I can skip them. However, our return address is a required field. Simply going to complete my return address. And I am at the end of the menu, so I can update preview. To make this easier for me to do my final proof, I'm going to change the size to large. I see my car wash, expiration date, store logo, fountain soda, all of my text is correct. Double checking the Hershey bar is also correct. This is where my multiple locations, where my coupons are valid, has populated. This is the custom text field, and my return address is correct, so I am simply going to add to cart and confirm. I have just completed the customization of a two-sided direct mail postcard. As you can see, it is quite simple, fast, and easy to do. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and happy customizing!